Hi, this is the Red Magic 8 Pro and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. Click to the Wi-Fi switcher to activate this option, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter here the password. Then just tap to OK, wait a second, and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you could use another available networks, just enter the passwords, connect to them, and after that you could switch between these networks. To turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click to this Wi-Fi switcher. Also, yet one more way how we could do that. Just open first the control panel and you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Click to this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. And to launch full Wi-Fi settings, we should hold it for a while, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.